Treehouse Comics proudly presents Dogman and Cat Kid, written and illustrated by Dav Pilkey, as George Beard and Harold Hutchins, with color by Jose Garibaldi. Chapter 9. Cannery Grow. Quick! I need a can of Cannery Grow!
Oi, welcome to Cannery Grow.
Hi, I need a can of Cannery Grow!
How may I help you?
I need a can of Cannery Grow!
Well, why didn't you say so in the first place? Can I have your phone number?
Why? What for?
It's for our computer.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, let's see here. Dum-de-dum-de-dum. What? Let me think now. What comes after 1? Wait, don't tell me.
Would you hurry it up?
You just made me lose count. Now I have to start all over.
22 minutes later.
10.
Now can I buy a can of Cannery Grow?
Well, do you have a Cannery Grow frequent buyer's card?
No!
Would you want to apply for one?
No!
Are you sure? You can save 10% on your next...
No! I don't want a Cannery Grow frequent buyer's card! I don't care about your special offers! That wasn't even my real phone number!
Alright. You're not a very nice person. I was just doing my job. All I wanted to do was help you. I tried my best, but you didn't have to be so mean. All you had to do was act nicely. I have feelings, you know.
I'm sorry. You're right. I'll ask nicely, okay? May I please have a can of Cannery Grow?
Sorry, we're closed today.
I'm taking this!
Oh yeah? Well, I'm calling 911. Let's see now. What comes before 9?
And so... Shh, 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 shh. Tss, tss, tss.